I only looked last week at these tea lights and they were £3. So in a week they've gone up 25% to £4. But if you remember in the videos I've been doing, at the end of 2021 they were £2. So in 7 months they've gone up 100%. In April they've gone up to £2.50. So I had a look round and I went to Lidl, and there they've got 100 tea lights still at £2.99. So I thought I'd try those. I've not actually had tea lights from Lidl. But if you look, the one from Lidl is on the left and the one from Tesco's is on the right. So it is slightly smaller. But it does say on the package that it will last 4 hours. But at £2.99 as opposed to £4, you're saving 25% on your money. I did actually get a voucher, and now the vouchers are saying that you've to spend £30 in order to save some money. Well, I don't think I'll be spending £30. Quick lunch, one of those tortilla wraps that I got reduced to 10p. A lot of my lovely greens growing on my windowsill. Some of those courgettes that I got weeks and weeks and weeks ago reduced. And they've just kept wonderfully in the fridge. And a few olives and some of that cucumber that my neighbour gave me. A little bit of mayonnaise, and I'm just going to add the last little bit, if I can get it off the bag, of that reduced goat's fat cheese. There's just a little bit left. Lovely cheap lunch. Cheap meals, that's what we like. Look at that. When I was paying at the checkout, the self-service checkout for those things I got reduced last week, I actually got this voucher, 150 bonus points, and it has to be used by the 27th. But I also have a voucher that says 5 times nectar points. This is Sainsbury's. And that has to be used by the 19th of July. And I'm just wondering if I use them at the same time, because that 153 bonus points is worth 75p. So I think we'll try that and see if we can get 5 times 150 bonus points. The answer's no, unfortunately. I didn't get 3 times the 153 points. I just got the 3 times the points that I'd spent on that shop, which was this, the Bulldog Travel Kit. Great reduction, as you can see here. And I also got some lamb's liver that I got reduced to 10p. And I've just cooked that with a little bit of apple that was left from that fruit salad that I got for 10p. So I'll just eat that cold, I think. It's very hot here in the UK at the moment, and you don't want to be cooking really. This is good value. £3 from 12. Make a nice Christmas present. Well, I don't know what's going on at Sainsbury's, but I got there, about an hour and a half later than normal, and there must have been 30 different packets of mince, 5% fat, 12% fat, all reduced to about £2, £2 and 6p, something like that. And I went to have a look at the fruit and veg, and the girl was just there, which was like an hour later than normal, reducing things, and she saw that I had some mince that I was going to pick up. I think it was £2, £2 and 9p, I think it'd been reduced to. And she said, all that mince, all that meat has got to be reduced to 10p. So I said, oh. So I went back and I got some turkey burgers, 10p, And I picked this up and I took it to her and I said, does it include this? She says, yes, everything's got to go, 10pence. And that was an hour and a half later than I normally go. Just felt lucky. Seem to have had some perfect timing this week when it comes to finding some deals. I've also been out foraging. And do your own research, people, when you're foraging. Make sure you know what you're picking before you pick it. There's an awful lot of hedgerows around me that have got wild gooseberry bushes. And at the moment, there's lots and lots of gooseberries. And then raspberries. Found a huge, huge area of raspberries. And they're absolutely laden. Small ones, but beautiful. Blackbirds having the breakfast. When you're out foraging, always leave plenty for wildlife.